It is June 28th, 2021. I'm Andy, and this is the Minorcan Mullet Report from the Golden Ray Rec Site in St. Simons Sound. We had a viewer yesterday after we were showing the chain that said, hey, the chain's visible on the other side as well. Well, we completely missed this yesterday, so back out today. We're taking a look, and yeah, sure enough, very easily seen there. And we kind of highlighted it here with the red so you guys can really make this out. Now, it gets kind of lost in the shadows there between the pieces, so you're going to kind of have to fill in the blanks and understand it. It's having to work through a couple other decks there, so it's probably not in a straight intersecting line, but more or less it may be kind of jumbled around in there a little bit. Now, this is a picture from yesterday, and we wanted you guys to pay special attention to where this chain is in the hull here yesterday. And then this afternoon, we've got this picture, and you can really see how far up the chain has walked up the hull, and it is really starting to make some pretty good progress. We hope this continues, and if it does, we expect to see this section severed very soon. Section 3 needs to go down. One thing we've had a lot of inquiries about is that white can that's floating around out there at the wreck site. Well, here it is, and it's being utilized. It's a mooring ball, and here we have the bear cub, and it's pulling up. One of the bear cubs here pulling up to the mooring can, and they're going to tie off to it and kind of take a breath and a rest, if you will. But that is what that is. That is a mooring ball, and it may have a barge on it, may have a tug on it. Here in this case, it's got, we think this is Bear Cub 2 pulling up to it and getting already anchored in there. Well, the action out there was with the cutting. We've got some sounds, a couple minutes here of listening to the chain. So we're going to let that happen and let you guys hear what it sounds like. We hope you enjoyed the report today and getting to hear some of that sound of the cutting. A little bit different sound, a little higher pitch in the cutting today. Well, hey, that's going to do it for the report. We ask if you haven't done it yet to click on that subscribe link. Send us some comments. And most of all, we want you guys to stay safe out there.